How to recover deleted YouTube videos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can restore deleted YouTube videos. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So the first step you will need to take is open up your web browser and head over to YouTube. After you're on your YouTube, tap on the three lines on the top left. After you do that, scroll down. There you'll find an option that says Contact Us. Tap on it. So after you here, scroll down, and there you'll find you can contact YouTube at the address below. You'll find the address that you can contact them at, or you can also mail them. So this is their address right here. You can mail them at this website, address, and increase your chances at recovering your video. And that is the only way you can do so, since there is no direct feature which allows you to recover your deleted videos. So first you can check on your YouTube Studio. If you have left it there, tap on the profile icon after you're on YouTube, then go to YouTube Studio. If you don't find it there, just mail them at this address and you're good. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.